Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing pretty well, and in this video I'm going to walk through an interesting topic, and the topic is how to use Mureka AI, and it will be a quick tutorial and also it will be a quick guideline for you. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. First of all, you need to be understand what is Mureka AI and how does it work. So as you can see, we are in Mureka AI, and here you can see we have some music option. If you hear this and then again check this out again, so this platform helps you to create music for your content, for your personalization. So this is the main motive. So here you can see we have various options. If I click on home, then you can see we can see the trending songs, and we have hip hop section, we have pop, R&B, and also we have library section where we can add our favorite song in that platform. So main thing is, if you want to create a song in this Mureka AI by using Mureka AI, then how you can work on it. So that time you just need to be write some prompt over here to make a song. So the process is really simple. So here you will need, they already provided us some pop, or I can say the string. Just you need to be paste it here. You can choose whatever song you want. You want pop, rock, EDM, rap, hip hop, disco, anything you want, you are allowed to it. And if you check out the advanced version, then you can see you can add a reference gear song inspired by a different track. Like you can choose song like Despacito, and if you paste it here, they will make similar kind of song for you with your prompt. Again, you can change the vocal, sing your song with any voice you like. So you can change your voice whenever you want. Then you can add description, then also melody ideas. So I hope you already understand how Mureka has used for music creation. I hope you understand lot of things in this video. If you think this video was helpful and knowledgeable for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.